Welcome to Logistics Processes. My name is Larry Mitchell, and I'll be one of your academic coaches or online facilitators as we walk throughout the course. This video is going to quickly introduce you to the course elements, your groups, our role as facilitators, and examine the CITT course in greater detail. In this course, you're going to be set up in groups. Typically between 8 and 15 people would be in a group, and you'll have a facilitator assigned to that group. As you work through the discussion boards, you'll interact with the members of your group exclusively. You will have an online portal to reach the rest of the students, and we'll show you that in a moment. As a facilitator, I'll be in the discussions, guiding you and poking you with ideas and thoughts, but it's your job to make sure that you're contributing to the group with your experience and your textbook learnings. Ensure that you're in early, speak often, and think about the quality of your answers as you put them on. The assessment is going to count. So make sure that you're putting the best knowledge you can into your discussions. This course is broken down into 3 primary segments. First, you'll have quizzes on each of the chapters as you go through them. Second, you'll be challenged to participate in 2 online discussions. These are important because the quality of your answers will determine a big portion of your marks. Last is our formal case study. This is a chance for you to apply your learnings to a fictitious but somewhat real-life environment. You'll be asked to review the details of a case, provide insight based on your textbook learnings. Combined, that will make up the large portion of your mark. The final piece is your exam, which will be administered online. We'll show you more of that in a moment. If you haven't worked in the online environment before, welcome. If you have, engage as much as you can. For those that are used to the traditional environment, such as the one behind me, getting used to working online may take a bit, but don't worry, you'll get it. Stick with it. It's just about being active. You're with a group just like yourself that are in this business and have plenty to share. Take that opportunity to learn from your fellow classmates and contribute where your experience and the learnings can. We hope you enjoy it. Now let's take a deeper look at the course. Let's take a look at your Moodle website. When you log in, this will be the screen that you'll see. Your courses will be set up on the left-hand side with the general information to follow. As we scroll down, you'll notice several resources. I want to talk first about your forums. Check into course announcements, as anything from the administrators here about changes in times, due dates, will be hosted here. Your introduction is key. As you log in for the first several times, make sure you go in here and post a little bit about yourself. Also, take the opportunity to learn about both your facilitators and your group mates. Coach's Corner is your opportunity to access the coaches. Whether it be myself or one of the other coaches, we monitor the boards constantly and will respond quickly to your inquiries. Student Lounge is your area to communicate with the students themselves. Although you work in groups, you will have access to the entire cohort that's taking the course with you at one time. If there's anything of interest that you'd like to post in here that's related to the course, please feel free to do so, or it's your opportunity to have general discussions with your other classmates. There's resources and an exchange that allow you additional resources as you work through the course. Your textbook is provided to you online. You can access all the PDF chapters at any time throughout the coursework simply by clicking on the appropriate one. Within your chapters, you also have web links. These will take you to current content that add value to the textbook learnings. Also, I encourage you to look at the CITT webinars. There are webinars in here both on the industry, the course itself, and your case study that help you as you work through the course. The next element is your quizzes. Your quizzes will be done as you complete each module of the course, which is broken down into chapters. Following this, you'll have your term work or your group discussions. This is your opportunity to apply your textbook learnings to 2 individual assignments throughout the course. Be careful in here, you'll be graded on the quality of your responses and how active you are. Make sure that you understand the instructions by clicking on the group instructions link here. That will take you to both the expectations and how we'll grade you on that. The last piece of your academic part before the final exam is your business case study. This is where you'll be given a fictitious but somewhat realistic case, and you'll be asked as a consultant to apply your knowledge to help a company. Focus on applying the textbook material here. not just your own thoughts or beliefs or experiences. Ensure that you've read all of the policies, including the plagiarism policy, and that you truly understand the questions. If you need assistance from the facilitators, we are here to help. Use this study questions forum to access all of the facilitators, whether it be questions on the grading or questions on the formal report or case study itself. We'll provide the answers to you there. Last but not least, your exam will also be done online. You'll log into this Moodle environment and you'll be presented with the exam. To help you, we've given you a sample exam that you can peruse when you get closer to the end of the course. As we scroll back up, you'll notice that you have several of the resources here on your left-hand side. They are summarized for you. Take time to walk through the course. Again, as an online course, it's important that you remain active and participative with both your group and your facilitator. This is key to trying to take the most out of the course itself. That's a deeper look at the course website and the structure of the course itself. If you have any questions throughout the course, we're here to help, both your administrators at the CITT and your facilitators online. Take the opportunity to reach out and be as active as you can be. I hope you find this course interesting. To me, this is personally one of my favorite courses in the program. It gives us a chance to really dive deeper into the modes and the operations themselves. I look forward to talking with you over the next several weeks. I'll see you in the discussion boards.